Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is speciation. Origin of new species from existing one is called speciation. Genetic variations, natural selection and reproductive isolation. These are the three key factors in modern concept of evolution. There are a number of evidences in favor of evolution. For example, morphological and anatomical evidences are there. Body organization, homologous organs, analogous organs, and vestigial organs. Similarly, embryological evidences, paleontological evidences, which are based on fossil records. These help in tracing evolutionary relationship between different organisms. Reproductive isolation refers to the mechanism which check the populations of two different groups from interbreeding. Reproductive isolations may be temporal isolation, behavioral isolation, physiological isolation, or mechanical isolation. Genetic drift is the elimination of genes of certain traits from the small populations when a section of species population dies of natural calamity or migrates to other region is genetic drift. It alters the gene frequency of remaining population, thereby making ground for the speciation. Natural selection, which is key for speciation, it is a phenomena in which nature in the wild selects traits favorable to the species in the environment. Speciation can be allopatric speciation or sympatric speciation. In allopatric speciation, populations of a species they distance due to geographical distances they become reproductively isolated and hence ultimately form new species. In sympatric speciation, subpopulations of a species live together but are somehow reproductively isolated, like behavioral and physiological isolation. This also ultimately forms new species. That means now two ways are there for speciation. One is allopatric and another is sympatric speciation.